This is the first in a series of videos that we'll be sharing with our integration from SaberES to HyperFlux. I want to thank Synopsys for giving us the licenses and working with us these last several months, and enjoy the presentation. This is the HyperFlux dashboard. All pods are healthy, nothing's pending approval, and we're ready to get to work. Let's head into the projects. So I'm going to set a filter for the Phoenix 7 project, which is already set up. I'm going to go to my projects. I'm going to go project. I'm going to add a new connector. It's called for SaberES. It's in my electrical domain. My workspace root is Saber Projects for me. And I'm going to call mine Phoenix 7. You don't use spaces. I'm going to give a polling interval of 120 seconds. So every 2 minutes, I'm using Imperial. And that gives us a grid spacing of 0.2. And it's a compliant with ASME Y14.5. And our symbol standards, we're using the IEC. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a connector. You can see that my connector is new. It's validating because it hasn't been checked. I'm going to download a scaffold. And my scaffold is a zip file. So now I'm going to go to show in folder. I have a new Phoenix 7 zip. Now for my Phoenix 7, I'm going to go ahead and right click, extract all, browse, and put it in my Saber projects area. And now I have a new Phoenix 7 project here. The project folder contains all the different areas and files I need to actually work with Saber. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my Saber Designer BAT. And as you can see, I get a clean project open. There's no designs in here. There's no library. The user library is empty. So let's fix the user library being empty. So I'm going to go back to my UI and I'm going to go to my assistant. So I am in my AI assistant. I have a bunch of UML and requirements data already loaded. So now I'm going to ask it to generate all symbols. And what is it doing in the background? It is looking at my requirements and my UML data and it's generating the symbols that SaberES is going to use for this design. You see, I've got several symbols here is what's telling me. I've got 9 symbols it's creating. I can do approve and generate. Now I go to this tab here that says SaberES Design. Got a bunch of, I can look and I can edit them. But as you can see, it's already triggered at, hey, I'm ready to bring in these symbols. Now, Saber brings in the symbols. This is something I'm still working on, trying to get it to auto update the library. But all I do is I close Saber out. I reopen it. And now you'll see my Phoenix 7 library with new symbols. So these are all ready to be used.